Welcome to Economics Look.
Question number 1. RTGS stands for. Options are A. Real Transfer Gross Settlement, B. Real Time Gross Settlement, C. Rapid Time Gross Settlement, or D. Rapid Transfer Gross Settlement. Correct answer is option B. Real Time Gross Settlement. Question number 2. What is the upper limit of RTGS transaction in India? Options are A. 2 lakhs, B. 5 lakhs, C. 10 lakhs, or D. There is no upper limit. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. देयर इज नो अपर लिमिट. आरटीजीएस का प्रयोग बड़े अमाउंट के ट्रांजैक्शन के लिए किया जाता है जिसकी मिनिमम लिमिट होती है 2 lakhs एंड देयर इज नो अपर लिमिट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच सिटी इज नोन एज द फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया? Correct answer is option C. Mumbai. Question number 4. GDP stands for. Options are A. Gross Domestic Product, B. Gross Deposit Product, C. Gross Domestic Price, or it's D. Gross Deposit Price. Correct answer is option A. Gross Domestic Product. Question number 5. Who is the 26th Governor of RBI? Options are A. Shri Shaktikant Das, B. Sanjay Malhotra, C. Urjit Patel, or D. Raghuram Rajan. Correct answer is option B. Sanjay Malhotra. Sanjay Malhotra is the current and 26th Governor of RBI जो कि अपॉइंट हुए हैं 11th December 2024 से. Question number 6. DBS Bank has been headquartered in. Options are A. Spain, B. Singapore, C. United Kingdom, or it's D. South Africa. Correct answer is B. Singapore. DBS Bank means the Development Bank of Singapore Limited. It's a multinational banking and financial services corporation. Question number 7. First phase of nationalization of banks in India took place in which year? Options are A. 1980, B. 1969, C. 1951, or D. 1992. Correct answer is option B. 1969. The first phase of nationalization of banks in India took place on 19th July 1969 when 14 major commercial banks were nationalized. This was done under the leadership of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Question number 8. First bank established in India was, options are A. State Bank of India, B. Bank of India, C. Bank of Hindustan, or it's D. General Bank of India. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, बैंक ऑफ हिंदुस्तान, जो कि स्टैब्लिश्ड हुआ था 1770 में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. BPL stands for, options are A. Below price line, B. Base price line, C. Base poverty line, or D. Below poverty line. Correct answer is option D, below poverty line. Question number 10. ECS stands for, options are A. Easy Cleaning Service, B. Electronic Clearing Service, C. Easy Cash Service, or D. Electronic Cash Service. Correct answer is option B, Electronic Clearing Service.